Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you see an email address is invalid message in Runna, it's usually means that there is a typo, formatting issue, or accounts mismatch. This fix is often quick and only takes a minute. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to fix the email addresses invalid issue in Runna in 2026 cleanly, correctly, and like a pro. So first thing first, why email address is invalid appears. Common issues or common causes include typing mistakes, missing domain like gmail.com, extra spaces before or after the email, copy and paste formatting errors. Okay, so you can check for typos. Okay, so look carefully at your email, make sure it includes a username, the @symbol, a domain, correct any spelling mistakes. Okay, so even one wrong letter will cause the error. Okay, you can also remove extra spaces, so tap inside the email field, delete any spaces before or after the address, re-enter the email manually. Spaces often appear when pasting text. Okay, so use a standard email format too, so your email should look like username at example.com, so one @symbol, a valid domain, no spaces, avoid unusual characters or formats. Okay, go back to the login screen, so try the method you used before. Okay, Apple, Google email and password, and using the wrong method can trigger errors. You have to know this. Okay, you can also reset your password, so tap forgot password into your email address, follow the reset instructions and log in again, so this confirms your email is valid. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.